I know it's late. Happy New Year. Because that's when I wanted to do this video. However, I was busy doing other things on the video, but I was thinking about the video, you see, because that material is all been pre-cut for this video. I didn't get around to doing it until now, but that's the way it is, isn't it? I'm going to do home improvements. Well, not home improvements. To me it's home improvements. To my missus it's a waste of time. But to me it's home improvements. See, what she fails to understand is by making a better workshop for me means I can find stuff quicker, do things more efficiently, and then she gets things done better in the house. It's my idea, anyway. That's why I keep telling her. She doesn't buy it. Now, what I'm going to do, this thing has been working great for the time being I've had it. It's got a nice little mirror, so obviously I can see if I've got anything in the eye. Sometimes. But it's not very practical because I lift it up. Technically, this space is wasted, and all this lot is just, and all this, it just gets dumped in. It's all dirty up. It's like got grease dribbling down it. So yeah, so the idea is, have something similar to this. Instead of it hinging up like so, it'll hinge down, and then what you'll have is what it will hinge down. This section here will be like your screwdrivers, hammers, and little box of screws if you wanted to, or whatever you want to put on there. That I'll be doing in another video because that's way too long, way too boring for some of you out there. It must have, wouldn't it? Let's get on with it. Doesn't that just look the bee's knees? Huh? Huh? Must admit, it's a great project to work on. Got my woodworking tools out the drawers and up there. So now I can easily open it up, give it bits and pieces, and also then start working on it nice and small. All I have to do is to simply just fix these in place. These are only here to give you an idea of what I was actually aiming to get. Obviously, I understand I've got to do some practice for that. So if you actually like that, like the video, please like, please subscribe, please tell all your friends, tell your family, tell everybody. Because I'm having a prize giveaway. By the end of the week, if I reach, wait for it, 75 subscribers total, that 75th subscriber will receive all my old screwdrivers. Hey, isn't that not a gift, eh? I'm all heart. So, hopefully we'll reach 75. Number 75 by the end of the week. That will be yours. So, as I say, all you have to do is simply just go. I'm just going to lock that. I'm just not even going to try it. That will be next video to actually secure those.